Making money with Etsy and Printify combines the power of a popular online marketplace and print-on-demand services. Here's how you can create a profitable business. Set up your Etsy store. Create an Etsy seller account and set up your shop with a unique name, branding, and description. Research niche markets to find profitable products. Link Printify with Etsy. Sign up on Printify and link it to your Etsy store. With Printify, you can create custom designs for a variety of products, including clothing, accessories, and home items, without holding inventory. Create and design products. Use Printify's design tools to create custom products or upload your own designs. Choose high-quality products and set competitive prices, ensuring a good profit margin after Printify's printing and shipping fees. List products on Etsy. Create listings for your products on Etsy, including attractive images and keyword-rich descriptions for SEO optimization. Focus on high demand and unique designs that appeal to your target audience. Market your shop. Promote your Etsy store via social media, Etsy ads, and influencer marketing. Offer discounts or promotions to attract more customers.